Hey, what's happening? This is a story how I went to the hospital after a one-chip challenge.
Okay, half of my face is numb right now because I just did a deep cleaning. And look what came in the mail. Paqui, they got a new flavor one-chip challenge. Oh, they gave me 2. How nice. And I got the bucket hat. Let's go. Sheesh. Ooh, I love these chips. I love it. All right, let's do it real quick. Oh, it turns your tongue blue? Oh, I'm so down. I'm down. What to expect? Made with Carolina Reaper pepper and scorpion pepper. This is made from Carolina and pepper. This is made from Carolina Reaper pepper and scorpion. This is the new one as of 2022. Smells spicy. I like it. I like it, Picasso. Alright, this is my first time trying this ever. Haha, it blew, huh? You want to swallow it? Okay. Wow, I swallowed it. No reaction! Oh, yes, I can do it! Oh,
Wait a minute. What did the warning sign say again? Seek medical assistance. What am I supposed to do after? Should you experience difficulty breathing? What?
Oh. Ha! It blew! Ah! 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 I forgot the keys in the car. Oh, my throat. Fuck, I don't have milk. Oh shit, my ears. Take it out of my mouth. Help! What? I need milk. Milk. Oh gosh. Oh, half my face is still numb. I got milk.
4 to 5 hours later, my stomach was hurting so bad. It felt like someone was squeezing my intestines. And I sat in the toilet naked, screaming. Why was I naked? Because it was so hot. Literally. Not from my mouth, but my whole body. I felt like I was gonna faint. Trying to get the ambulance, but I ended up canceling the ambulance and got Uber instead because I thought about the financial issue. Now I knew the Uber was coming. It was excruciating trying to put some clothes on. But I'd rather do that than having the ambulance people, the paramedics, to find me butt naked on the floor bathroom. I crawled to the Uber. She asked me if I was going to the hospital. I said yes. Then I told them if they can get a wheelchair once we get there. And then she said, "Pregunto?" And I was like, "No, I'm not pregnant." So I showed her a picture of a wheelchair and she kept saying, "Sí, pregunto." And I'm like, "No, I'm not pregnant. But yes, get me a wheelchair, please." Only to find out after telling the story, pregunto means I ask. The hospital gave me an IV and a stronger Imodium.
Wait a minute, I already suffered enough. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna video you. You don't want
1,
to.
2, 3. Whose fault is it?
Ako.
Aman pala eh. This is priceless.
Oh, you put an IV?
Yes, of course. You're gonna get some fluids.
Oh shit.
You're gonna get dehydrated after.
I thought you were taking out blood. Or you were taking out blood.
What after that? You need fluids and then medication, right?
You're right. After eating the spiciest chip in the world.
Sayonara, carbonara.